Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the windshield wiper on your Chevy Malibu. Let's get to it. So replacing the windshield wiper on these Malibus is a fairly straightforward process, but if you don't know what you're doing, it can get kind of annoying. So I'm going to show you how to replace it on the driver's side. It's the same as the passenger side. But I'm going to show you how to do this. It'd be very similar to other GM vehicles, but it's very simple. You're just going to push in on this tab here. So with this tab pushed in right here, you can go ahead and push it all the way in. You're going to feel a little pop, and then that's released. So that's all it really takes is just that little tab going into that square hole, holding it in. And I mean, the GM ones, as far as GM, it's proprietary. I mean, it's kind of annoying that it's just not a J-hook, but this is fairly simple. I do have replacement wipers down in the link below from my Amazon store. Make sure to go down there, click the link if you need a pair. But to put it back in, it's fairly straightforward as well. So you're just going to slide it into the hole. You're just going to slide it back towards the driver's side of the vehicle. And if you see that go into that square hole, you know that it's secured back in there and it's not going anywhere. So, not terrible, just a little different. So that's going to be it for this video. If this video helped you out at all, please make sure to click the like button, subscribe to my channel. Also check out the Amazon links I mentioned down in the description below, and check out my other videos. I got quite a few out there for this Malibu. But until next time, thanks for watching, and see you later.